Anna has a big train. Yeah, to collect the ball. Yeah, okay. Let's get started, Kiki. Wow, it's so funny. Yeah, so interesting. Ball, Anna. Yeah, big ball in a small soccer ball.
All the small balls will put in this.
I can see. A spiky ball. Yeah, let's put here. Yeah, a Spider-Man soccer ball. Yeah, so many soccer balls in so many colors. Yeah, a basketball. Let's collect all the sport ball. Yeah, onto the train. Kiki, do you want to collect the sport ball? Yeah, so many sport ball here. Yeah, let's collect back on the sport ball. Yeah, a this ball.
Okay. No, it's cute.
Ooh.
Sports balls.
Yeah, you can put on the container of Kiki.
Okay.
Yeah. Kiki want to play with ball. Next. Yeah. Yeah. One person pull the train and one person collect the ball. Anna, what about this one, Anna? You can put here, yeah.
Let me throw.
Oh.
Oh, we down go. That's all. This one I put in.
Okay, that's all. So we're done collecting all the ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, there is no ball. Yeah, on the horn here. Kiki, you're done. You're done collecting all the ball back in the train. Yeah, we have a big train, a smartphone here, everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, to our house. Yeah, to our house and back here. Kiki. We're pouring some ball on the floor. Okay, keep moving the train of smart balls. And now it's the Xavi's turn. Drive the train. Be careful, okay? To stuck in the lift. Yeah. Go eat.